In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the DPI in Photoshop from 72 DPI to 300 DPI without resizing your image. Ensuring your image has the right DPI is essential for high-quality prints and professional-looking results. Let's dive in and make sure your images are perfectly set for your needs. First off, you'll want to open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from Adobe's official site. Adobe Photoshop is a powerful tool known for its vast array of options and precision, and setting the DPI, or dots per inch, is one of those critical features that can make or break image quality, especially for print purposes. Once you have Photoshop open, the next step is to load the image you want to adjust. You can do this by navigating to File in the top menu and selecting Open to locate and open your image file. Having your image open in Photoshop sets you ready for adjustments. With your image open, the easy shortcut to begin setting your DPI is by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus I on your keyboard. This shortcut opens the image size dialog box, which displays crucial information about your image, including its current dimensions and resolution. It's a feature that allows you to see at a glance the size and current resolution your image is set at, which is vital information for the adjustments we are about to make. Within the image size dialog box, locate the resolution field. This field may currently be set at 72 DPI, which is standard for images intended for screen display, such as web content. However, when you're preparing an image for printing, you'll typically want a higher resolution, which is why you're aiming for 300 DPI. Changing the DPI might sound technical, but in this context, it's straightforward. Simply replace 72 with 300. It's important that while doing this, you make sure the resample option, typically found as a checkbox, is unchecked. This ensures that changing the DPI won't affect the actual dimensions of your image. With the new 300 DPI resolution set, the final step in this process is saving your image with these settings. Navigate again to File in the top menu and choose Save As to capture these changes to a new file. This method allows for preserving the original image and keeping a version with the adjusted DPI. Be sure to choose the appropriate format and quality for your needs before completing the save process. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and a keystroke, your image is now set to a high-quality 300 DPI, ready for any professional application or print. Don't forget to explore more on how DPI affects image quality in other contexts. Thank you for watching, and happy editing in Photoshop.